Modeling with algebra, question 7. Dave is 8 years older than Anita. The sum of their ages is 48. Find their ages. So by now I think you understand the steps. First step is to define the variables. Second is to write down the expressions and then get an equation. And the last, solve the equation to find the answer. So let's define the variable. So the variable here should be Anita's age, right? Since the question is, Dave is 8 years older than Anita. So if you know Anita's age, then you can write Dave's in terms of Anita's age. So we say let age of Anita be A years. So A is our variable which stands for age of Anita in years. Now what is Dave's age? So we can say, well, Dave's age will be how much? Dave is 8 years older than, that means more than, right? Age will be A plus 8 years. Is that okay? 8 years older. Now we can write an equation for this situation. The sum of their ages is 48. That means if I add this and this, I should get 48. That means A plus 8 equals to 48. Correct? Find their ages means we got to solve this equation and find the variable A. Once we know A, we know Anita's age, and then we'll add 8 and get Dave's age. That's the solution, correct? So let's try to solve it. So when we open and combine, A plus A is 2A. Let me write first A plus 8. I just open the bracket, equals to 48. Now let's solve it. So A plus A is 2A. So let's write down here 2A plus 8 equals to 48, correct? Now we'll take away 8 from both sides to solve for A. Plus 8 minus 8 equals to 48 minus 8. So that gives us 2A equals to 40. To get A, we need to divide by 2. So let's do that. So 2A divided by 2 equals to 40 divided by 2, or A equals to 20. Now we know A. So A means Anita's age, and therefore we can write down our answer, right? So we can say Anita is, or Anita's age is 20 years. How about Dave's? Dave is 20 plus 8, and Dave is 20 plus 8, that is 28 years. So that is our answer. So our answer is 20 years and 28 years for Anita and Dave. Correct? So that is how we are going to solve these kinds of questions. I hope you understand. Thank you.